So next up we've got Varun from Life Mojo, and Life Mojo is a very interesting website which will keep you guys all healthy. Varun, might you tell us all what Life Mojo is?
Life Mojo is basically related to is a wellness company where we provide first of all free tools to the customer so they can track diet, they can track their activities, and then they can try to maintain their health using those tools. Then we also provide consultation services using our health experts like dietitian, fitness experts and lifestyle counselors to provide one-to-one consultation to help them achieve their health goals. And all the services work online and on phone. So the challenge is basically to make users pay, because like first of all that's the ultimate thing everybody wants. So I have more balls now to throw now. People are generally not, they get demotivated very easily when they're, let's say, trying themselves. Okay, they will do it for 1 day or 2 days and then they will get demotivated and they will stop using it. So we need to find a way to make them use it constantly.
So let's hear suggestions.
What we did for one of our customer is that he makes celebrities talk, saying like, hello Saurav, happy new year, or get well soon. And the celebrity, like say suppose Aishwarya Rai talks like that, giving a very personalized message like hello Sujay, or oh, hello Karthik, or something like that. Then you feel, wow, somebody, celebrity comes.
You're saying if you're a dietitian, get Aishwarya Rai.
Yeah, that is what I meaning. That's exactly what I was trying to. That exactly what I was supposed to suggest. Suddenly at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, a video message comes to you, and then say, Aishwarya Rai comes there and say, hey, is this time to, eat this? Have you had this, or have you had that? Just create that wow factor.
Catch me when I go to a doctor or when I go to insurance. So to take an insurance, I had to take a health exam. So go to insurance guy and, the turnover is huge. Tell him that, okay, I'll lower your insurance if you join Life Mojo.
That's a good idea, I think. Fantastic.
So my suggestion would be tie up with the pizzas and then burgers, all this, because pizzas and burgers are really spoiling it. Okay, they can prepare the pizza according to your recipe.
Actually, that's a good idea. That's a good idea.
So they can recommend it. So
essentially what you're saying, let them have a specific pizza
for the
Life Mojo certified.
Recommended pizza, so that for that people.
And endorsed by Aishwarya Rai also.
Yeah, exactly.
My suggestion would be, I've seen that since I am a regular subscriber to gyms, they usually, when you enroll into them, they do say that we have a dietitian who's going to plan out. But usually what happens, nobody really keeps up with that at all. So if you can tie up with the gym so that a part of their fee that they charge actually comes to you, and you provide them a little more serious way of tracking their diet as well. So
he's saying empower the gym's web platform so that you have both calorie counting and you provide the dietitian actually. So we are done with Varun. Varun, some good ideas, some education, tie up with schools, tie up with colleges, tie up with health clubs. Just a quick poll. Sean, are you happy with the audience suggestions? How would you rate them on a scale of 1 to 10?
11. In particular, I want us to go back and think about, okay, how do we split up this revenue share with the telcos so that we can make referrals work in a big, massive way along these mobile services.
Kumar, how happy are you?
I really like the idea of tying up with somebody who is already in market, like Educomp. It was a nice suggestion that we'll focus on.
On a scale of 1 to 10, you're happy?
6.
6. Great. Varun? So I will rate, I think, 8. I think the major idea is basically do more tie-ups. Maybe that could be with educational institutes, colleges or gyms or health institutes, different health institutes.
Great. So it's 24 on 30. It's about 80%. 80% of people over here are moderately happy. Thank you very much, audience, entrepreneurs, for helping these guys out. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching Entrepreneurs Huddle.
We'll take a breather here on the show, but coming up, a network portal designed exclusively for all you dog lovers. It's Dog Spot on our elevator pitch.